Revenue Authority.
Josiasa e county ma Kisumu kawuono golo pachgi kuom paro mar chik midendo ni Finance Bill 2023 mageto keto thenge atamalo 3 mar osara mar jotich ne chenro mar gero udi manengogi yot. Kotene gi gavana ma Kisumu Anyang' Nyong'o, jotelo go wacho ni ber ka okaw pach jopiny mokwongo kapok okal parono ka bende gijiwo jod bura mondo gol parono kata kol parono matut. Jotelo go ne loso e gweng' mar Ramogi Sigoti e kar chung' od bura Manyakach.
We, under the leadership of Raila Odinga, we have stated very clearly, you cannot try to build a house without a foundation. The foundation of Kenya are the people. Solidify that foundation by giving people faith and belief in government. It doesn't matter how they voted during the election. Now, we have proposed a solution to that issue. Kanda server, which was the instrument used to determine winner, can be open. Openly. If there's nothing you are fearing, open. If there's something you are fearing, close.
If you want to develop low-cost housing, world over you use pension funds. You have NSSF, you have LAP Fund, you have LAP Trust, and many others. There's completely no reason of creating another fund. In fact, we have every reason to believe that the fund that you are creating and that you are going to pass through Parliament through unorthodox means.
Ngamonge kwano mayotka ko wachni nigola tamalo adek msara mari tichamo sengelo fapar dwe ka dwe tiende ni biro ngadi siling 300 dwe ka dwe to kata ko wachni ngamondi kitich bende medo 300 en siling 600 ot mathin mogik minyalo mi en mar $1.5 pogna $1.5 kod siling 600 en higni 2,000 gi 500 aminen dweche 2,000 gi 500 kipogo gi dweche 12 ma en higa en higni 208 ito pod ngima e piny ka itimo ang'o mirito ot higni 208.
They need to sit down with us so that we can guide them on how to deliver on the right to housing instead of bringing bills that are just going to cause chaos in this country.
Wadhi e county Masia